The little animal who didn't listen to his parents.
不听爸爸妈妈的话的小动物。
Long ago, in a forest, there lived a little bear named Brownie.
从前，在森林里住着一只小熊，名叫小棕。
Long ago, in a forest, there lived a little bear named Brownie. Brownie was very smart, but he often didn't listen to Papa Bear and Mama Bear.
小棕很聪明，但常常不听熊爸爸和熊妈妈的话。
Brownie was very smart, but he often didn't listen to Papa Bear and Mama Bear. Papa Bear reminded him to walk slowly, but Brownie always ran very fast.
熊爸爸提醒他走路要慢一点，小棕却总是跑得很快。
Papa Bear reminded him to walk slowly, but Brownie always ran very fast. Mama Bear said he should wear a coat when it was cold, but Brownie said he wasn't cold at all.
熊妈妈说天气冷要穿外套，小棕却说自己不怕冷。
Mama Bear said he should wear a coat when it was cold, but Brownie said he wasn't cold at all. Papa Bear told him to finish his tasks before playing, but Brownie ran out to play first.
熊爸爸叫他先整理好事情再去玩，小棕却先跑出去玩。
Papa Bear told him to finish his tasks before playing, but Brownie ran out to play first. Brownie felt that the big bears talked too much.
小棕觉得大熊说的话有点烦。
Brownie felt that the big bears talked too much. He thought to himself, I know what I'm doing.
他心里想，我自己知道怎么做。
He thought to himself, I know what I'm doing. One rainy day, Brownie didn't listen to Mama Bear and forgot to bring rain gear.
有一天下雨的时候，小棕没有听妈妈的话，忘了带雨具。
One rainy day, Brownie didn't listen to Mama Bear and forgot to bring rain gear. As a result, he got completely soaked in the forest.
结果他在森林里被雨淋得全身湿哒哒。
As a result, he got completely soaked in the forest. After returning home, Brownie began to sneeze and felt very uncomfortable.
回到家后，小棕开始打喷嚏，觉得很不舒服。
After returning home, Brownie began to sneeze and felt very uncomfortable. Mama Bear didn't get angry and gently dried his fur.
熊妈妈没有生气，只是轻轻帮他擦干毛。
Mama Bear didn't get angry and gently dried his fur. Papa Bear quietly prepared a warm bowl of soup for him.
熊爸爸也默默地为他准备了一碗热热的汤。
Papa Bear quietly prepared a warm bowl of soup for him. Brownie saw his parents busy taking care of him.
小棕看到爸爸妈妈忙着照顾他。
Brownie saw his parents busy taking care of him. Suddenly, he realized how much they cared about him.
他突然发现，他们其实很关心自己。
Suddenly, he realized how much they cared about him. Brownie felt a little sorry.
小棕心里有点后悔。
Brownie felt a little sorry. He thought about the times he didn't listen before.
他想起以前没有听话的时候。
He thought about the times he didn't listen before. He finally understood that the reminders were meant to protect him.
原来爸爸妈妈的提醒是为了保护他。
He finally understood that the reminders were meant to protect him. Brownie slowly realized that the big bears weren't trying to control him.
小棕慢慢明白，大熊的话不是要管他。
Brownie slowly realized that the big bears weren't trying to control him. They spoke that way because they loved him.
而是因为爱他。
They spoke that way because they loved him. The next day, Brownie put on his coat by himself before going out.
第二天，小棕主动穿好外套出门。
The next day, Brownie put on his coat by himself before going out. Before it rained, he also remembered to finish his tasks first.
下雨前，他也记得先把事情做好。
Before it rained, he also remembered to finish his tasks first. Papa Bear and Mama Bear smiled as they watched him.
熊爸爸和熊妈妈看到后，微笑地看着他。
Papa Bear and Mama Bear smiled as they watched him. Brownie felt warm and safe inside.
小棕感觉心里暖暖的。
Brownie felt warm and safe inside. He learned an important lesson.
他学到了一件重要的事。
He learned an important lesson. Listening to parents is because they love you.
听爸爸妈妈的话，是因为他们爱他。
Listening to parents is because they love you.